All right, today we're gonna bring two scones, and these are wireless. They don't need wires, all right? But you do need to charge them, and I'm gonna show you exactly where you need to charge them. First of all, you got two LED lights. You get two scones, of course, right? You get two LED lights, and when you need to charge this, I'm gonna show you how to charge this. All right, so first of all, the remote control, you power it on. That's the first level, if you guys can see it. And this, you could set up the lights to be facing you or facing back, either way. And of course, we're gonna have to change the tone. We could always put it brighter, all right? Lower it down if you want, that's optional. So you can lower it down manually here with the remote and go back up. And then also another thing, you could change the K. So we're gonna do plus K, negative K. That's the lumens, all right? You can change them. So, and then you have 20%, right now it's 20%, 50%, and 100%. Now from here you got 3000K, you got 6500K, and then you got the 4000, all right? So we're gonna go back to 65. I like 65. And of course from here you can change the lighting to cycle different lights to whatever you want, and the remote is perfect. And then you could just turn it off if you want, turn it off, turn it back on. And of course you could set up different light tones. You could put in night light, the center button is a night light, and then you could always come back to different tones. So this is perfect for hallways, entrances, pretty much anywhere you want to set up. And of course it's a plus with the remote, and if you lose the remote, there's always a button in the bottom too that you could turn off and then turn it back on. So you just push the button here, if you guys can see that. You could change the tones by double clicking it. You turn it on, 1 2 3, then turn it off. All right, so it's turn on, 1 2, and then off. So very simple, out of the box. You could set this up to any color you want. Beautiful ambience to your hallways, your entrances, or anywhere you need electricity. So out of the box, very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.